Welcome students to Era of Zoology Educational Institute. I am Rajdeep Acharya and today I am going to teach you the differences between skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle and smooth muscle. So before starting this lecture, I want to say subscribe this channel, like this lecture and share this lecture among your friends. So let's get started. So the first difference between these three muscles are the muscle fiber. So in case of skeletal muscle, the muscle fiber is long, cylindrical or unbranched. In cardiac muscle, the muscle fiber is short, narrow and branched. And in case of smooth muscle, the muscle fiber is actually fusiform, spindle shaped and unbranched. Now we will talk about the second difference, that is control. So in case of skeletal muscle, the control is voluntary. In case of cardiac muscle, the control is involuntary. And in case of smooth muscle, the control is involuntary. And now we will talk about the third difference. So about their location. So basically the skeletal muscle is present in the muscle of skeleton, and so basically actually the skeletal muscle is present in the skeleton, tongue and esophagus and diaphragm. And in case of cardiac muscle, the location of cardiac muscle is present in heart, pulmonary vein and superior and inferior vena cava. And in case of smooth muscle, the smooth muscle is present in vessel, organs and viscera. Now we will talk about the fourth point. So basically in case of skeletal muscle, their striations are actually present and well defined, and in case of cardiac muscle, the striations are actually present but poorly defined. And in case of smooth muscle, the striations are actually absent. Now we will move to the fifth difference, that is actually the nuclei. So in case of skeleton muscle or skeletal muscle, the nuclei is actually multiple flat located at periphery. And in case of cardiac muscle, the nuclei is single oval present in the center. And in case of smooth muscle, the nuclei is actually single oval present in center. Now we will talk about the sixth difference, that is actually the sarcoplasmic reticulum, which is present in skeletal muscle. And in cardiac muscle, the sarcoplasmic reticulum is present, and in case of smooth muscle, the sarcoplasmic reticulum is absent. And now we will talk about the intercollected disc. So basically in skeletal muscle, the intercollected disc is absent. In case of cardiac muscle, the intercollected disc is present, and in case of smooth muscle, the intercollected disc is absent. And now we will talk about the regeneration after injury. So basically the skeletal muscles are regenerate after injury, but cardiac muscle are not regenerate, and smooth muscles are regenerate after injury. So this is actually today's lecture about the differences between skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle and smooth muscle. So I hope this lecture will help you a lot. Thank you so much for watching this lecture till this end. Subscribe this channel and also share this lecture. Thank you so much.